Hello, hi beautiful people. Thank you for tuning in today. Sheila here. So today is a quick one and this is what we are looking at. I'm helping somebody who is a subscriber here. When they saw my video, there is a video I made when I was walking through Kasubi Kawala. When they saw my video, they reached out to me and then they were like, oh, I have my land, small piece of land that I bought, but I bought it with rooms on it. So these are the rooms, yeah. The room has a front and a back, but it can be separated to be two separate rooms, yeah. So they told me, could you please help me? They reached out and then they told me about it, and then they're like, hey, could you please help me and help with the supervision since I'm out of the country? I would like them to be renovated so that people enter and give me some small money as I look for more money to get a better plan for the place. You know what I mean, eh? So Nange, you know me. As I always saying, you people involve me in all those money making activities, legally or illegally. Just involve me. I am there. So anyway, I came and then I saw the place. This is how the place looks like. But we are starting renovation, obviously, because you have seen the windows, yeah. The first time I came, those were not the window. That wasn't the window and door. And then I'm going to show you the other door as well. Those were not the ones there. So this is the video of before, and I'll be showing you the video of after, because the money was collected, the money that was budgeted for was collected, and it is available, and it reached the ground, and the material was bought. Any minutes now, anyway, within a week, I think within a week, if the builders come within a week, the place will be done, just waiting for people to enter. You know those plots of land they sell that have rooms on them. So this person was like, hey, since I'm out of the country, instead of these rooms just sitting like that, let me renovate them, and then people can sleep there and give me some small money as I look for more money to do something meaningful with the area. So this is the place. This is how it looks like right now. I am here to inspire somebody today. I hope somebody gets inspired probably when we are done, because right now it still looks off. So I came and the builders had gone to vote. They fixed the doors and then they went to vote, so I did not enter. I tried to remove that thing, guys. The thing refused. Do you see that thing? That thing refused. I had already tried before even getting the video. I think you see a bit of knockings there. I had already tried to remove that thing. The thing, it refused. I knocked it, I hit it, I beat it, it refused. So I did not enter, but I'm going to show you a little bit of inside. And then probably when I get back, actually I'll just bring a video when it's all done. Not steps. I'll bring a video when it is all done and finished, because the walls are going to be now you see, they're going to take off all that old plaster and then put new plaster, and then obviously put new color, and then renovate the floor and make it habitable, not like this, because people were sleeping in it like this. Can you imagine? So all that is going to be taken off, and then this middle bit, that middle bit, there is a door there in the middle. It is going to be covered. They're going to be two separate rooms, not one, because right now it is front and back. Yeah, the front can have a shop because it is on the road. I'm going to show you the front. So there is wood up there. All that wood is going to be covered by bricks, so that people in this room do not hear people in the other room. You know what I mean? People at night can mean to be doing their activities, but if the bricks do not reach the iron sheets, then people will be hearing each other. So that door is going to be removed, that middle door, and then bricks, everything, separating two rooms, like two totally separate rooms. Guys, people were living here. Actually, it's even a bit clean. I have a video of the day I first saw the place, and then I was like, what? or my people had just moved out, the people who had been there, and it was so dirty, guys. It was so dirty. But you see the walls, even right now, see the walls, you see the doors. People were living here like this. So anyway, the renovation is not going to be fancy. It is more of let me make it look better so people can enter, and you know, the person earns the money a little bit here and there as they collect more money to make it all nice. Probably break this down and then build something meaningful, but this is how the place looks like. That is the bathroom. That's the bathroom they were using, and this is the toilet. This is the toilet, but all this is going to change because now I am in the thing. People, I have caught in the thing. Let me just use a direct translation. I have caught in the thing. The thing is going to change. The thing is going to be different. I'm going to bring you the after when they are done with everything. You will see the thing. The thing will be nice. Of course, change that door and then get something for the toilet hole. And okay, like better than this, because these living conditions are like the things I show you in Wabigano. Meanwhile, guys, I am running on painkillers. Guys, wisdom tooth. That pain, I do not wish it on anyone. I spent the whole night awake. Guys, awake. The only position I could sleep in was while sitting. Can you imagine sleeping while sitting? Banang. I woke up 7 a.m. to go and get painkillers. So at the moment, I'm running on painkillers. Meanwhile, that is the bathroom that the people here were using. But of course, we are going to make that better as well. That is the bathroom. Then they do not have running water. So instead of running water, we got a water tank. But I'll tell you the prices of everything when I'm showing you everything. You know what I mean, eh? So when I come back and you know, things have been fixed and everything, I'll show you while I'm telling you the prices. And of course, finished house, finished rooms, they'll just be ready for people to come in. So I'm going to show you the outside. I failed to get in totally. That thing refused. You see that thing there? You know how they make the doors and then they put in the doors and then the doors have to first dry before you remove that thing. Guys, it refused. I tried. I promise. I tried. It refused. Anyway, guys, thank you for being here. In case you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. If you are returning, thank you for coming back over and over. I really do appreciate you. Drop me a comment. Let me know what you think about everything. Let me know the areas you'd like to see, obviously, since we are back in action. We are back in action from the bush, from captivity, from everything. So let me know the areas you'd like to see. Let me know what you think about the space and everything. In case you have any questions, you can ask. But once again, involve me, people, in all the money-making activities. Please involve me, indulge me. Now, like our previous video, I mentioned that I was running an errand for a subscriber who wanted a phone. So I got the phone and I'm going to be posting the phone, like sending the phone, because, you know, the internet and everything is back now. So I'll be posting the phone today, Monday, yeah? So anyway, involve me, people, involve me. This is somebody's place, Bambi. I'm going to make it nice. You wait, I'll show you. So you see, it is really, really on the road. It is on the road or by the road. So this bit will be a shop. There was a very nasty looking door outside here. Actually, when everything is totally finished, I will show you the very, very first original video. Everything was looking so bad. So some iron sheets are leaking, just like you've seen some holes in the iron sheets. We got some new iron sheets as well. Just wait for the after. Just wait for the after. Of course, it will not be kololo fancy, but it will be a whole lot better than how it looks right now, yeah? So, without talking too much, I do not want my painkillers to wear off. Guys, let me tell you something. I am laughing, but I was in pain. The pain I experienced was something else. I do not wish it on anyone. So anyway, I had come in front here to see if I could enter from in front. But you see, there was that little thing as well in front. Yeah? And if the other one had failed, there is no way I was going to get in removing that one. Eh? But anyway, this is it, guys. Thank you for being here. People paying for membership. Thank you very, very much. I do appreciate. Thank you for supporting the channel, the hustle, and everybody here. Thank you for liking, thank you for commenting, taking your time to watch. Some of you assure me you watch me on your big screens at home. Kwegaba. Some of you, your shifts during work. Kale mu bumpimpi mwebale kunjagala baddiya bannange nange mbagala nnyo. Okay, I know people who are not from Uganda are now lost, but I'm saying thank you for loving me and I love you right back. Yeah, so I'll be seeing you in our next video, and pray for me that these teeth heal. Actually, it's one tooth. Pray for me that it heals. Eh? Bye bye guys, see ya.